The new Keto Air Fryer Cookbook offers a guilt-free way to enjoy all your favorite foods, not just fried ones. With this cookbook, you can eat these foods every day and still lose weight quickly. It promises to help you drop inches off your waistline, tone your trouble areas, and achieve the slim, flat belly you desire, and it is suitable for all cooking skills. This air fryer cookbook offers quick and easy recipes that can be prepared in 15 minutes or less. With simple ingredients that can be found in nearby grocery stores, you can save time and money. The cookbook provides clear step-by-step instructions, making it easy for anyone to follow along. The recipes are designed to be easy to clean up, as they require minimal pots and pans. Cooking with an air fryer eliminates the need for excess oil, making the meals healthier with no trans fat. Additionally, air fryer cooking reduces the risk of bloating, acidity, and heartburn that can come from traditional deep-fried foods. The cookbook promises delicious results, from crispy fries to juicy steaks. It also includes a 14-day meal plan for added convenience. Overall, this cookbook offers a comprehensive guide to using an air fryer to create tasty and healthy meals with minimal effort. Zana has created a collection of keto air fryer recipes that not only taste amazing but have also helped people lose more fat. The recipes include a variety of breakfast options that are rich, sweet, and savory, providing a fresh twist to classic flavors. All of the recipes are 100% keto and paleo-friendly, as well as dairy and gluten-free. The best part is that many of these recipes can be prepared in under 20 minutes, making it suitable for busy individuals or families. Even kids love these dishes, including the secretly healthy chocolate chip cookies. The recipes prioritize flavor, ensuring that even family members who don't follow a keto diet can enjoy these delicious air fryer dishes. These recipes are suitable for anyone looking to avoid sugar, artificial sweeteners, wheat, gluten, and other grains. They are also perfect for individuals who want quick, easy, and tested keto recipes, as well as those looking to reduce inflammatory ingredients in their meals. Additionally, these recipes can help individuals control their blood sugar by reducing starches and sugars, remove the worry of whether each meal is keto, healthy or not, and cater to those who are lactose intolerant, as none of the recipes contain dairy. Furthermore, the cookbook is beneficial for individuals dealing with digestive issues by removing grains, legumes, and other carbs from their diet. With the numerous advantages of a keto diet, it's no surprise that many people are turning to it. The Keto Air Fryer Cookbook allows you to enjoy all the benefits of a keto diet while indulging in delicious meals that you and your family will love. It fills the gap in your diet, providing you with keto-friendly air fryer meals. In addition to this amazing air fryer cookbook, you will also receive 4 bonuses. Number 1, the Keto Guide to Eating Out Like a Pro, tips and strategies for successfully adhering to a ketogenic diet when eating out. Number 2, the Keto Food List, which includes guidance for beginners, easy meal planning, and a comprehensive reference for grocery shopping. Number 3, the Keto Intermittent Fasting Guide. This guide outlines best practices and common pitfalls associated with intermittent fasting, equipping readers with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Number 4, the Keto Slow Cooker Cookbook. This cookbook provides recipes that allow you to prepare meals with minimal hands-on time, making it perfect for busy individuals. You can get over 100 mouthwatering recipes that have been created and tried over the past few years with the Keto Air Fryer Cookbook. All family approved, tried and true. Make sure to place your order quickly to receive a 66% discount on your digital copy of the Keto Air Fryer Cookbook. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to help us produce more useful content.